This is how to replace your RV water pump. First thing, make sure it's off. Then find the access panel where the pump is hidden behind. Then you can get the part number right from it. It'll be just written on the pump. You can see my water pump was creating a lot of vibration when working, so I decided to replace it just to be on the safe side. First thing we'll have to do is disconnect the power to it. I always cut it on the pump side to make sure that I have a trace of what color goes to what color on the pump, because RV colors tend to be different than regular DC power. Now you want to make sure you drain all the water out of your line and depressurize them. So just leave the tap on and let the water run. Also open the drain if you have one. Make sure your water tank is empty so you don't flood your RV. Then open the connectors, the water connectors on both sides of the pump. You will always have some residual water. Don't worry, we'll wipe it down. Make sure to completely disconnect the water lines. The next thing you want to do is completely unscrew the pump from the floor. For me, it was a little hard to reach in there with an electrical screwdriver, so I just used a manual screwdriver. Once you completely unscrewed all 4 screws, just remove the pump and take it out. Next thing you want to do is make sure that the gaskets are intact. If you have a broken gaskets, you'll have water leaks. You can see the old one and the new one. Remove the protective caps from the new pump. And the next thing we're going to do is connect the wires. I do it one by one just so I don't mix up the plus and minus. I did the plus, now I'm going to do the minus. I crimped it on, and now the next thing I'm going to do is take the old screws and put them into the base of the pump. I put back all 4 of them just to make it easy on me, and then I'm going to put a few turns in them just to make sure they catch in place onto that plastic piece that's on the pump. That way I don't have to struggle when it's inside the access hole. Put it back in place and then try to align it with the original holes you have in the floor. You don't want to put new holes. Reconnect the water lines and tighten the screws. Make sure not to forget to close your drain and connect all the electrical wires with some zip ties. Turn on the water and make sure there are no leaks. Overall, that's pretty easy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.